What if I told you there are completely free AI tools out there that can save you hours of work every single day? No matter if you are a student drowning in assignments, a creator trying to scale your content, or a professional looking to optimize your workflow, these tools are game changers. In this video, we are diving into 7 incredible, zero-cost AI tools available right now that will completely transform the way you work, study, and create. Let's get right into it. 1. ChatGPT, your ultimate personal assistant. We are kicking things off with ChatGPT, which remains the undisputed king of versatile AI assistants. If you are only using it for basic search queries, you are barely scratching the surface of its true potential. Think of ChatGPT as your highly capable, 24/7 personal assistant. It can draft professional corporate emails, outline complete content strategies, summarize massive reports into digestible bullet points, and even debug complex programming code in seconds. By offloading your brainstorming and tedious drafting tasks to ChatGPT, you instantly free up hours of mental bandwidth every week. 2. Canva AI, design made effortless. Next up is Canva AI. For creators, freelancers, and entrepreneurs, visual content is everything, but traditional graphic design can be an absolute time sink. Canva has seamlessly integrated artificial intelligence to change that. With features like magic design, you no longer need advanced technical skills to create stunning visuals. By simply entering a brief text prompt, the AI generates highly polished, ready-to-use YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, presentation slides, and logos. It effectively bridges the gap between your ideas and professional-grade design in just a few clicks. 3. Perplexity AI, the future of research. If your daily routine involves endless web browsing, Perplexity AI is about to become your favorite tool. Traditional search engines force you to open dozens of tabs, filter through ads, and piece information together yourself. Perplexity bypasses that entire headache by acting as a conversational answer engine. You ask a complex question, and it scans the web to write a comprehensive, direct summary for you. The best part? It includes inline citations and source links for every single claim, allowing you to cross-check facts instantly and conduct deep research in a fraction of the time. 4. NotebookLM, your personal knowledge base. At number 4, we have Google's NotebookLM, a hidden gem for anyone dealing with heavy documentation. Imagine having a massive 100-page PDF, a textbook chapter, or a collection of raw research notes that you don't have time to read. You can upload those specific files directly into NotebookLM, and the AI instantly synthesizes the information. Because it is strictly grounded in the documents you provide, it eliminates random AI hallucinations. You can ask it to generate study guides, extract specific data points, create summaries, or even generate a synthetic audio discussion based entirely on your own files. 5. CapCut AI, high-speed video editing. For the creators out there trying to keep up with the fast-paced demands of YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, CapCut AI is an absolute lifesaver. Video editing is notoriously time-consuming, but CapCut's automated AI features streamline the entire process. With a single click, its auto-captioning tool generates highly accurate, dynamic subtitles that match your pacing perfectly. Additionally, you can instantly remove video backgrounds without a green screen, isolate audio, and utilize smart cuts to trim out dead air. It effectively compresses hours of meticulous editing into just a few minutes. 6. Google AI Studio, next-gen prototyping. Number 6 is Google AI Studio, a powerhouse tool tailored for tech enthusiasts, developers, and power users who want to build their own solutions. This platform gives you direct, free access to Google's most advanced Gemini models. Instead of just interacting with a standard chatbot interface, AI Studio allows you to build custom prompts, test complex coding structures, analyze massive datasets, and prototype your own AI mini applications. If you want to move past basic AI usage and experiment with cutting-edge technology at a professional level, this is the ultimate sandbox. 7. ElevenLabs, hyper-realistic voice generation. Finally, we have ElevenLabs, a revolutionary tool that has completely transformed audio production. Recording high-quality voiceovers requires expensive microphones, a quiet environment, and a lot of editing time, unless you use AI. 11 Labs takes your written text and converts it into exceptionally natural, emotionally expressive human speech. The cadence, pauses, and inflections are so realistic that it is nearly impossible to tell it was generated by a computer. It is the perfect tool for scaling video production, creating engaging podcasts, or producing audiobooks without ever needing to step in front of a microphone. These 7 free tools prove that you don't need a massive budget to drastically increase your productivity and change how you work. I want to hear from you. Which of these AI tools are you going to try first? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly productivity tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.